It's a beautiful day, and oddly enough, all I want to do is sit inside and just drink iced tea, because this next part is, it can be a lot of fun, building a dry rock wall. These rocks, when they're irregular like this, they just have a certain way to fit, and it means you just got the one thing on your mind. It's just physical work, and you're just trying to flip rocks around and change rocks, and you try to make them fit, and then build up in levels. Well, the part I've got to worry about here, I've got this pipe, and what I want to do is, on the level of those three pavers, I'd like to make levels of rock, and they're just going to go in a straight line, and then I'll have a terrace, comes up a little bit. The problem is this pipe. It's just in the way, and I don't know how to work around it. I'm probably going to have to, where I've got this line of pavers, I'm going to have to change that line. It won't look too good when I'm walk down this pathway. Before it used to be, it kind of funneled you up to the steps to the shed. But I'm not going to be able to do that as well. This part here is going to have to be sweeping in a bit steeper than it used to. It'll wind up further out than it used to simply because the rocks, their footprint is so big. So while I'm thinking about it, I thought I would just go ahead and repair this part here. That's what I had to tear apart. I had to tear all this apart to get these little short bits in. And while I was working on it, they slid out because there was no support. So I think I'll just go ahead and put this back together and think about that part over there. These rocks aren't going to go back in the same way they came out because I don't remember how that was. And like I said before, they just fit one way. So I've got to figure it out again. And they'll probably wind up in a different order. I'm not sure what happened there, but my camera quit. Off camera, what I've done is I've finished this last little piece. The wall looks different now, comes up a bit higher than it used to. And this is all one nice, I think it looks better as it's one nice layer. What I'll start here, that's going to be a terrace. It won't meet to the front here, it'll be set back about where it's cut there. And I'll start my terraces. But I think this looks better. Gives me inspiration to try to work with this. So that's the start of phase 2.